I usually wake up at 6 on weekdays, but I stay in bed for a few minutes to check my phone and slowly feel awake.
I wake up at 6 too, but I get up immediately because if I don't, I feel sleepy all morning and rush later.
After waking up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a glass of water before doing anything else.
That's healthy. I usually start my day with coffee because it helps me feel focused and ready to move.
What do you eat for breakfast on busy mornings when you don't have much time?
I keep it simple, like toast with eggs or fruit, because cooking too much makes me late.
I often prepare my breakfast the night before, so I don't have to think in the morning.
That's smart. I also choose my clothes at night to save time and avoid stress.
Getting ready feels easier when everything is prepared, especially before work or school.
Yes, a calm morning helps the whole day feel more organized and positive.
My work usually starts at 9, so I leave home at 8 to avoid traffic and arrive on time.
I study at a university, and my first class is at 8:30, so mornings are always busy for me.
What kind of classes do you have on a normal day?
I usually have lectures in the morning and group discussions in the afternoon, with short breaks between them.
At work, I check emails first, then focus on my main tasks before meetings begin.
Meetings sound tiring, but discussions help me understand lessons better.
I take a short break every 2 hours to stretch and rest my eyes.
That's a good habit. I usually review my notes during breaks to remember what I learned.
How long does your commute take each day?
About 40 minutes, so I use that time to listen to podcasts or music.
For lunch, I usually eat near my office because it saves time and keeps my schedule simple.
I often bring lunch from home since it's cheaper and healthier than eating outside every day.
What kind of food do you like to bring for lunch?
I prepare rice, vegetables, and chicken because it keeps me full until evening.
In the afternoon, I get hungry and eat a small snack like nuts or fruit.
Same here. Snacks help me stay focused when I study for a long time.
Dinner is my favorite meal because I can eat slowly and relax.
I agree. I usually cook dinner with my family and talk about our day.
Do you eat late at night?
Not really. I try to eat early so I can sleep better.
I go to the gym 3 times a week to stay healthy and reduce stress.
That's great. I prefer lighter exercise like walking or yoga in the evening.
What do you usually do during your workouts?
I stretch, do simple poses, and focus on breathing to relax my mind.
On rest days, I like reading books or listening to podcasts.
Reading is nice. I enjoy drawing and listening to music when I have free time.
Music helps me feel calm after a long day at work.
Me too. It changes my mood and helps me concentrate.
Do you have a hobby you want to improve?
Yes, I want to practice drawing more regularly.
I usually clean my room on weekends when I have more free time.
I do small chores every day so my house doesn't get too messy.
What chores do you do during the week?
I wash dishes, sweep the floor, and organize my desk.
Laundry takes a lot of time, so I do it once a week.
Same here. I fold clothes while watching videos to make it easier.
Shopping for groceries is my least favorite chore.
I don't mind it because I like choosing fresh food.
Cleaning feels tiring, but the result is satisfying.
Yes, a clean space makes me feel relaxed.
I try to spend time with my family every evening, even if it's just talking.
That's nice. I often eat dinner with my parents and share stories.
On weekends, I meet friends to relax and forget about work.
I usually meet friends at a cafe or study together.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, I have a cat and I play with her every night.
Spending time with pets feels comforting.
It really does. They help reduce stress.
Social time helps balance a busy schedule.
I agree. It keeps life enjoyable.
After work, I like to take a shower and change into comfortable clothes.
I usually rest for a while before doing anything else.
In the evening, I watch videos or read to relax.
I prefer light music or short shows.
I prepare my bag and clothes for the next day.
That helps mornings feel easier.
Sometimes I write a short to-do list.
I do that too, so I don't forget tasks.
Evenings should feel calm, not stressful.
Yes, it's time to slow down.
I usually go to bed around 11 on weekdays.
I try to sleep earlier because I wake up early.
Before sleeping, I avoid using my phone too much.
That's a good habit. I read instead.
Do you have trouble sleeping sometimes?
Occasionally, especially when I'm stressed.
I drink warm tea to help me relax.
I do breathing exercises.
Good sleep helps the next day feel better.
Absolutely. Sleep is very important.